Having trouble with Safari not working on your iPhone? Safari is one of the key apps for browsing, and when it stops working, it can be really frustrating. Common issues include pages not loading, Safari freezing, or frequent crashes. In this guide, I will show you how to fix these problems step by step. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open Control Center and turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Open another app like YouTube to check if the internet is working. Safari may not load pages properly if the internet connection is unstable. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and tap Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History again. Clearing cache data can help if Safari is loading outdated or corrupted information. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap Safari. Scroll down and tap Extensions. Turn off any extensions that might be causing problems or remove unknown extensions. Sometimes extensions can conflict with web pages or block content from loading. Solution 4. Restart Safari and your iPhone. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Find Safari and swipe up on the preview to close it. Restart your iPhone by holding the power button until the slider appears, then slide to power off. Turn the phone back on and try opening Safari again. A fresh restart can resolve temporary app glitches. Solution 5. Disable VPN or Proxy. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap VPN and Device Management. Toggle off any VPN or proxy settings that might interfere with Safari. A VPN can sometimes cause websites to load incorrectly or not load at all. Solution 6. Update iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Updating iOS can fix bugs and compatibility issues with Safari. Now that you've tried these steps, Safari should be running smoothly again. If the issue continues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for extra help.